Hey everybody, it's Christy with Christy Artistry. Thank you for joining me tonight. Tonight I'm going to be working on a new type of canvas. I've not purchased these in the past, so I thought I would try this one. It is a 14 by 18, 7/8 inch profile premier natural cotton duck canvas. So I bought this at Blick, and it looks, this is what the little paper that comes with it is. It is a stretch canvas. It says it's a premier professional canvas, and it is 14 by 18 inches. So my plan tonight is to play with this canvas here, and we're going to do a triple split. So we're going to do cross-section split with white and black, and then I've got 6 colors that I'm going to be using on this. So I'm going to bring the camera down and we're going to get started tonight. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is our 14 by 18 canvas. I have it set vertically, and I don't know if you can see it, but I have some lines drawn on here. Since this is such a nice canvas, I do have a frame that will fit along this particular line. So that's why I kind of drew around there just so I could see how the frame was going to fit. And then I did draw some lines across here, and I plan on doing black, black, white. So that's why I drew those lines so I could see what I'm doing. Canvas is level, and we are going to get started. So I'm going to start with the black, and I'm going to put the black, like I said, on both sides, both corners. I'll smooth those out in a minute with my spatula. And my black paint is Loft black mixed with Florescent and water. My white is Blickrylic titanium white mixed with Florescent and water. And all of my color paints, no matter what brand they are all mixed with Florescent and water. Every once in a while I will do a painting where I mix something a little differently, like I might use a gloss medium. I might use, oh, what else have I used? Iridescent medium. I have a, what is it, iridescent? And I guess they're both iridescent, they're just 2 different companies. Gloss mediums. And sometimes I like to mix the paint like that if I'm doing something different. You know, experimenting, doing something special, whatever. Okay, so we're just going to run this approximately down the spot that I had chosen here. Make sure that I cover my edges good, you know, really good, because I did not paint them. Sometimes I will paint the edges when I'm doing black on white. This time I did not. That's all right. Hopefully, if the blowout doesn't go down that direction, then we will simply paint them black later. All right, I'm going to blow this out real quick because I want to get the extra paint off of the canvas. Sorry, I want to get the extra paint off the canvas before I put the white on because I don't want an overabundance of the black on here. So here we go. Okay, so now we've got the excess paint off the canvas. We still have enough to make everything flow. And now we are going to add the white down the center. And I'm probably going to blow that out as well. So, dropping that spatula off to move it off to the side. And get my OXO spatula for the center. I'm just going to run it against the bead of black for coverage on both sides, because I want to use what I have on the canvas and then blow off any that's extra. Still, because we're going to add our colors, we still need to have enough paint on here to blow those colors around as well. But you can have an excessive amount of paint on there that can cause issues. I'm using pastels tonight, and when they mix with the white, they make it, makes them even lighter colored. So I don't want to have the white end up washing them out too much. Alright, so now we're just going to bring the excess paint down and over the edge to make sure these edges are covered. Scooping up the excess white that I pushed off just to fill in these spots that don't have paint. And if there was an abundance of white still on the table, I would scoop that up, and I would put that into a cup, mix it with the black, make a beautiful gray, and I would use that as a flood for another painting. Alright, so let's smooth that out, smooth that out. And I'm going to use this because there's a spot right here next, so close to the black that it's just not covering. And I don't want to get my spatula in here. So just give it a little extra on each of these spots. Make sure we have coverage down there. So, okay. Put our excess white off to the side, and then let's look at the colors for tonight. So, like I said, I've chosen some pastel-y type colors that are both vibrant and I think they look beautiful together. So we have our orange. I believe these are the neons. I think this is neon orange and neon pink. We have Academy Acrylic Process Yellow. We have a COLORSHOT color, which I'm hoping will work nice with these Academy Acrylics. It's called Aromatherapy. The next one is our Thalo Yellow Green. Don't have a lot left of it, so I'm going to use it up. And Loft Light Blue. So these are our colors for our the two runs across the canvas. And I'm going to do them in two separate runs. I'm going to use the neon, the pink, and the yellow, and they are going to run right here. I'm going to use the purple, the green, and the blue, and I'm going to run those right here. So let's get started. First, neon orange. And like I said, I don't have a lot of these left, so I'm using them up. I don't like to waste paint, so I would prefer to use them up on something. Any little extras I will probably add to a one of my little cups, mix it together, and end up with a new color. Okay, next is neon pink. And the neon pink I actually have more of, and I can make more of it. I just don't have the orange left. I'll have to get some orange. Okay, there is the neon pink. Beautiful colors. Very vibrant. And then here is our process yellow, which I really like. I like this yellow. It's not neon, but it really shines like it was neon. Okay, the next colors. I'm going to start with the Aromatherapy by COLORSHOT, and it's basically a beautiful kind of lilac purple here. guys? And I'm just hoping, because like I said, the COLORSHOT paints don't always work with other paints, but we're gonna see. And then we're gonna put on the Thalo yellow green, which is a really pretty color. And last is my Artist Loft light blue. And I thought I had another bottle of this somewhere. I can't find it. And I want it to be light like the other colors, so I am just going to use this one because I think it looked really pretty on here. Okay, so those are our 6 colors on our white black split. And now we need to torch the bubbles. So here we go. Let's get them torched. Lots of bubbles in these paints. You want to take care of those bubbles now, especially the bubbles in the black. And that is because if you leave bubbles in black paint on a white canvas, if the bubbles burst during the drying process, what they're going to do is leave little tiny white pinholes, and you'll see that in the black. And what you really want is you want that nice solid black color. Okay, I think we're almost there. Alright, now I do see I have a couple of green specks here. I'm going to take care of those now. And like that. It's working nicely tonight. Okay, so let's start blowing this one out and see what happens. All right, here we go. All right. I lost some of the purple down here, but I did get it up here. The white kind of went over on here, but it's still really pretty right here, even though it's missing the pink. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. The shape of these is really interesting. I was kind of trying to get them to go in between each other, but this one was so much larger that that didn't work quite the way I wanted it to. But I'm going to check the sides. I see I'm missing some white here, so we're going to add white to that and get that filled in. And then I am going to check all of the sides, make sure that they're all matched up. That's probably why this didn't go down. It looks a little dry. And then I will bring you down and show you the painting from this side. So I'll be right back. All right, so here is our painting for tonight. I blew it out a little bit more to get some more dramatic effect down here, and also to kind of push this more together here, and then blew out a little bit more here, which I really like now that we have like an area of detail here. This I absolutely love. And let me take you all the way up here. Look at how pretty this painting is. And again, this is on a 14 by 18 painting done horizontally with a black and white double split, and I think it's really interesting. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna turn it different directions and see if I can get it to, you know, which direction looks the best, because I looked at it from side view and it also looks really good that way. So let me know what you think about this painting. Do you like the color scheme with the pastels on the black and the white? What do you like about the painting? What do you not like about the painting? And because I love hearing your comments anyway. And if you just want to talk about anything, I'm here. So by the time you see this video, we will be leaving for vacation, and I'm thinking about videotaping our trip and then kind of showing you what we did and where we went. So hopefully you're interested in that. If not, throw some comments in there and tell me, no, we don't care about that. All right, until my next video in 3 days, take care of yourselves. Bye.